New smoke detector put in here. In the kitchen. GFCI put there. Another one put there. Into your bathroom here. New GFCI. Lights are all in.
All the lights have been changed. All these have been changed.
All the bathroom lights are all changed into the little bathroom here. Go upstairs and show you the other GFCIs installed in the bathroom upstairs. Whew. Turn on this light for y'all. GFCI in the bathroom upstairs. The other smoke alarm upstairs is installed. Closet door. Doesn't rub anymore. Shuts. No rubbing. Go downstairs. Sorry. Kitchen. Everything is out of the refrigerator.
All we need to do is show them stuff we just
I was showing them everything was out of the refrigerator.
Yeah.
There's nothing in the house. Got rid of all your mail that was down here on the floor. You know. Downstairs door shuts.
New smoke detector.
New smoke detector up here at the basement.
Works.
You walk in here. Where's the light? Oh. Light over here is now completely good. Go back here.
Everything's all clean.
There's no dirt anywhere, no mess. I'll turn on this light in here so y'all can see the new GFCI on the washer.
Pull that out so you can tell it's a GFCI.
You can. You can see it. And that would be all.
I think it's